Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y31 and let me show you how to allow apps from external sources. So once you want to install unknown apps, you need to open the settings, then find and select apps. Here, go a bit lower and enter special app access. Now go to install unknown apps and you can smoothly allow them right here. So just pick the app that you wish to give this permission to, for example Gmail, and just mark allow from the source. And as you can see, your phone and personal data are more at risk right now. Once it is active, just be aware of that and stay secure. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.